Hello, welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today we're going to put some covers on the entrances. Let's go do this. Alright, we're going to start off here with Hive Stripe. Now they've already got a cork on one of the openings. I'm going to put this cover on the other one, if they'll let me. Try again. They aren't too happy about that. It'd be nice if we could have gone in right away. Alright, we'll give them a couple minutes to settle down. I'll go through one on the hive face. Oh. Alright, hive face has 0 on it at the moment. Alright, now we'll let them calm down for a little bit, and we'll try again on Hive Stripe. Oh, they got some pollen. Interesting. Some orange pollen. I'll have to look that up to see what it is. Didn't get them riled for a while. I'm just going to have to call it done for a little while. They are upset. I don't blame them.